All right, let's look at question 4 here. We're asking to find the value of x. These looks like they're just all two chords that are intersecting a circle here. So first of all, please notice that segment WY is congruent to segment YZ. They're both 18, 18. Therefore, if the chords are congruent, their arcs are also congruent. So here I have the measurement of arc YW is congruent to the measurement of arc YZ. If you plug it in, 143 is equal to 2x minus 1, right? Plus 1 on both sides, divide by 2. X is equal to 72. Okay, let's look at B. So here we have B. Please notice that the arcs are congruent. It's noted by those two red hash marks. Okay, arc MN is congruent to arc PQ. Therefore, their chords are congruent. Line MN is congruent to line PQ. Therefore, their measurement MN is equal to PQ. 26 is equal to 3x plus 5. Minus 5 to both sides. Divide by 3. You get x equals to 7. Okay. Let's see. Last one. Okay. All right. The last one here we have is C. Notice that the arcs are the two same here of 85. Arc BA is congruent to arc BC. They're both 85. If you plug in, so you can set them equal to each other. Okay. The arcs are congruent. Therefore, their line segments are congruent. BA is congruent to BC. Therefore, the measurement BA is equal to BC. Then you can plug it in. 5x minus 1 equals 4x plus 3. X is equal to 4. After you add 1 both sides, then minus 4x to both sides. Here, I showed you all the work from how you get from the arc to the chord, from the chord to their measurements, from the measurement to the equation. Okay, those are all the steps that justify it.